Hello everybody. So today lead code problem in maximum nesting depth of a parenthesis. So we have given the string in which we have to find what is the maximum depth of the parenthesis. Let's example. So this string is given. So we have to find the maximum depth of the parenthesis. So maximum depth of parenthesis means key parenthesis open and then nested parenthesis in it. Means if this parenthesis open and this is closed, it means its depth is 1. But you can see here the parenthesis is open. In this another parenthesis, this before 2 is open. So this have a depth of 2. So we have to find the maximum depth. So in this example, we can see the first parenthesis open here, then second open here, but this parenthesis closed here. You can see this parenthesis closed after 3. So this will not count. After this parenthesis open here, so we have the maximum of 2. Then after that this parenthesis open here, so we have maximum of a 3 depth of the parenthesis. In this example, we open a parenthesis, close a parenthesis, so maximum depth is 1. Open a parenthesis, then it has a nested parenthesis in it, and after we close the parenthesis, so it has maximum of depth 2. But in this it has 3 parentheses, then the character, then the parenthesis is closed, so it has 3 maximum depth. So we have to code for the maximum depth. So this type of question is solved by use of the stack. So in this problem we will use stack. So first we create an integer int max depth, which will be the maximum depth of our parenthesis. Initially we set it equal to 0. Then we create a stack of a character. So we will import character class stack equal to new stack. So then we will iterate a loop for the string. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than yes dot length, then I plus plus. So for every character we have to match that it is a open parenthesis or a closed parenthesis. So when we get the open parenthesis means when we get the this parenthesis open parenthesis, we will push it into the stack, and when we get its corresponding closed parenthesis, we will pop this parenthesis from the stack. For other element like a 1 plus 2 multiply 3, we will not do anything, so this will push into the stack. After this will push into the stack, so there will be the maximum depth of 2. After this, when this parenthesis occurred, the top value of the stack is popped, so we have only one parenthesis. Then we insert this parenthesis. After this parenthesis, so we have the maximum depth of 3. Then this parenthesis top of the stack is popped corresponding to this parenthesis, and like this. So after this, so we have to find the character at every index. So we will find character at every index by caret method in the string. We will find the character. So we will check if ch equal to open character, sorry, open parenthesis. So if we got the open parenthesis, we will push open parenthesis into it. After we will check, or we can check for else if ch equal to closed parenthesis, means we get the corresponding closing value. So we will pop the top value from the stack. So after this we will count the current max So what will the size of the current time maximum value? So it will the equal to the size of the stack. So we will find the size of stack by stack dot size. You can directly use this variable without creating a new variable. So we have compared that if the current max is greater than the maximum depth is it greater than maximum depth, then we will set it equal to the maximum depth. So we will find the max depth and current max. After this, our work is almost done. We will return max depth. This is our solution. After that, we run it. It is giving us error. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. I think everything is all good. Test case accepted. So we will submit it. 1 millisecond. This is pretty good solution. Thank you.